All right, folks, this is Jamie again. I'm going to work through these exercises. That way you can get a sense for maybe how I would have gone about doing these. Sometimes that's useful. Hopefully you already had a chance to do these on your own and you're just watching this just to compare notes. I highly encourage you doing these on your own first. So exercise 1, change the Hello World program to print hello followed by your first name. Compile and run your program. Okay, so under examples, we already have our hello.java, and that's the one that we want to change. Maybe just so that I can keep track of things, I will do something like copy that original file and then paste it here in the same folder and rename it hello name.java. So I'm going to have a new version of this. I'm just renaming. So if I change this thing, edit it, this is now called hello name. Remember, the name of the class has to match the name of the file. If you didn't happen to rename everything, that's okay too, but I may as well show that. Okay, so what do they want us to do? Print hello followed by my first name. So it'll be hello Jamie is what I want it to say. So there's that. I need to save the file. I need to go to my command prompt and move things over so we can see stuff simultaneously. I want to compile examples \hello name.java since we now have it as a different name. I don't have any compiler errors, so I should be able to run it examples.hello name. And so there we have hello, Jamie. So that's what we're looking for. If you didn't change the name of the file, then it would be just that one little change from world to your name. But if you did a little more, that's okay too.